Hello and welcome. This stream, I want to start to code a game. I'm someone who likes writing code and games, so here I want to try to make one. And I do this while streaming, maybe because I get an audience. And the idea is to only write code on stream and use a new setup operating system, in my case Ubuntu. So you could technically follow every step. So it might not be the interesting stream to follow. Maybe not much will happen. So I have a completely new OS operating system. I first need to set up, install stuff. Currently have only Firefox as Chrome in here. Doesn't look like it. And the Studio is probably owner. Okay, so let's try if this Ubuntu software feature can install me stuff. Chrome. Google Chrome in here. It's not okay. Is Visual Studio Code in here? Oh, good. This is our integrated developer environment. Somewhere where we can write code. This Office Writer from favorites to Google download Chrome. Can I set my language to English? Or it will be German for some time? I could look later in the language. Did he download it? I didn't see it. Yeah, okay. Do I click too much for this operating system? But we should now have Visual Studio. There it is. Can I did two favorites? Very good. And let's start the application. Use the look you want. It's Fine for me. Don't care. Install Git. Yes, I will do later. So we need. Can I create a new? Game dev. Open. I trust the author. Let's read me. Markdown. We can write down what we want, and let's make game ideas. I don't know how to call it. Text file. What we want to do. First of all, I won't use a game engine as I primarily like to write code. And as in creating assets, I have some experience in web development. So I will be as want to make simple web browser game. To make a simple web browser game. Okay. Want to try online play. It will make it difficult. Something else. Somehow should be randomized content. I don't need then for much replayability. These are some ideas. I have something in mind to start with, but nothing much. Here I made steps. I install Visual Studio Code. Let's make it this way. Install Google. Install a browser. I use Google Chrome. Now I will make a web browser game. Next step would be, let's call it the game. It currently has no name. And if we do a web browser game, you need an index HTML. Well, you need the HTML. The index is just common naming. And now I need this Chrome installed. Can I? Yes, there's a Google Chrome. It's these two favorites. Where do I close this window? Nowhere. Use password for new keying. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't want that. Make Google Chrome the default browser. Fine for me. Okay, remove Firefox. Hide Firefox. It's in English. It's good. And I want it's just good to it. Can I it in Google Chrome directly? I open this, what happens? Text editor. Application. Does he find Chrome? Direct. Things which should be here, but Google creates me default layout. I could have written it myself. The head area currently empty. Body HTML formatted. Save this stuff. I can press F5. Get full screen. I pedal down here more. Don't need this. So currently a white page. I want HTML canvas. To find an example. Just let's accept all. Here I have a canvas. Target. Copy it to the body. It's 208. Let's make canvas. We should still reload, see nothing. Now we need code. Oh, border is nice. Let's take it. And we should see something. Now we need to see something. Thought I changed. Let's make it this. And now script, JavaScript file. I need to just suppose no help. Then let's go into this side code if I want to add. Here's that. JavaScript file. Okay, a title is always a good idea. Currently the game is good. Just it would have worked. I think this is good for mobile devices, which for now I don't edit. Description I will also not use for now. I think this is good for search engines. Here we if async source, but I need the line like this. Copy it, and but we don't want the file from there, we want our file script.js. I one letter too much. Currently not sure if I have to put something before, a slash maybe. Yes, he helps me. Perfect. This should work. Now I can write my first line of code. And let's look. Console. Why not found? It looks at the wrong place, so the help was not helpful. Let's try without anything. This works. Now I need to get the canvas element. Yep. Example code. Let's edit in my game code. And we should now see a line. No, I need to my canvas. My canvas. The ordering is wrong. This line can be removed. Does the script get executed before this canvas can get added? Most likely what happens. Cannot read properties of null, get context. Context, so I did not find console log. And now it's a C variable. This should be null. Yes, and that's why you can't read it, so code gets executed before process elements. Then let's make a function. Look if get it. Can we run hello world? Can others? Let's do it for like this for now. Not sure if I do it correctly. Something is wrong. Crypt. Yes, it works. Okay. Now let's function paint background. Don't need the console log. What is this type? Any. Get context gives me any. Okay, it's currently doesn't matter. Let's give in CTX. I will need to switch to TypeScript soon, or I want to switch, but let's start with this. The X point doesn't tell me what paint options I have. It's canvas I want, rect. This text. CTX point fill. Direct this. Start with back. New. New. I did 400, 300. 100, 300. I did not assign a color. Let's see what happens. I did not call it. It's settings. Give it into it. It's black. And one should be painted first. It's X point doesn't color. Don't want a gradient. Don't want this. Want a simple color. Canvas tutorial. Find color for me. Fill style. This is sounding what I want. And I want, let's take green. Works perfect. Now let's function draw. Paint user as word. Player CTX. Now I need, let's use global variables for now. Player X, player Y, let's make our player a circle. Not a rect. Color style and shadow. Here rects, path. Is it done by arc? Might be. Canvas. HTML canvas. Oops. HTML canvas circle. It's the arc. Perfect. and this will be the player X, this will be the player Y. So now let's make player size, take the 50. Let's look what the other parameters do. Is it explained? Here, starting angle, ending angle. So we want full circle 0, full 360 degrees, or 2 times mass point P. In this case, I did not assign a color. The fill arc. Stroke or fill? Okay. I want to fill, not stroke. We will make the player blue. I need to paint the player afterwards. And we will no longer do this. Looks too big, so this is more a 20. Let's make it 10. Look. Takes this for now as a player. Now I want to be able to move the player. So I'm gonna need HTML key listener is the right word, I think. Let's take a random link. This is document at key listener key down. And it's in a function alert. Not our start method. We can throw this stuff in, but key quest needs a key and code. Is it correct? Oh, there's an event. And we have event key and event code. Alert, I don't want alert, but can use this code here. Console.log. Good enough for me. And so this in here. Now I need. I don't know what the false does. Now if I reload, I should see game keys pressed. Very good. Key A. Currently not sure which is better, the key or the code. So first we're gonna if was switch better. Let's start with a switch on the name, and if A, case A, I think I need breaks, case S, break, case D, break, case W. make default is it's not set. I want to print it out. Only can make it simpler. West is okay, but big tick. I want the event in the console. Now when I press A, I make player y minus plus plus s is plus plus on x, and this is up. Should be. Let's try. Not working. I don't repaint. Player paint start function paint all, call it this, and all backgrounds in the player, and there's also need to get this stuff. The event listener should only be added once. Now we have paint all the start and paint all after we pressed something. Now I should have. Okay, I did the keys wrong. When I press A, it goes up. Yes, I switched them. A is x minus minus. Probably this. So x is for left and right. Y is for top and bottom. Top left is 0, 0. So W, I need to reload. W is up, S is down, which is plus Y. A is D is right, which is plus on Y. And A, now I can move my dot. Although it's a terrible control. But it works for now. How did I get player Y there? I don't know. I think this is start for now, but I want to change to TypeScript. Now, does Ubuntu software help me with it? TypeScript. Yeah. Yes. Can I? I don't think Skype will with TSV. No TypeScript TSC. TSC. I'm currently not sure. Is here help? I have here command terminal. Write something terminal. just version, something like this. Let's see. Just does nothing. And let's look TypeScript commands. TSC CLI option. Compile. The wait. Why the closing by TSC? Okay, I need a tsconfig JSON file. I just want any file. Let's. Can't this generate one? Okay, this can't find a tsconfig JSON as I don't have one. Maybe I'm on the wrong search. TypeScript setup. I don't have npm, or I don't use npm. Not quite what I'm looking for. Out node can't be that hard. Again with node. Do I have node? I don't think I have node. ESC minus V. Also does nothing. Totally not sure if it works. TypeScript sconfig create. Sample file. Let's take this. Listen. One layer. Are you complaining about? Predicting comma closing. Oh, one too little. Okay, too few. Now I'm here. Can I now TSC it? Still not sure what happens if I put this in, or if this installs something. Maybe I need to restart. I currently unsure what let's try if I restart Visual Studio. Don't expect. Something changes. I installed a lot of stuff I don't need. F TypeScript. Maybe this is wrong. Let's remove it. Let's install without. Install TypeScript Ubuntu. Is npm and I would need to install Node first. Can I install Node over Node? JS, this is more or less. Look like it. Node.js download LTS Linux. Uh, does this help me on how to install it? Install JS. Newer version, but it shouldn't matter. Pick something. Can use apt, make it as a command. Terminal. Should also add this to favorites. Paste, apt update. Paste. Yes. Thank you. Copy. Let's my readme. Install Node.js. Paste. Oops. Take it in there. This setup steps. Now I should have Node.js. Node, was this? Yes. Now I can install already closed TypeScript. And that should be mn10 install type. No, this was something with. I should TypeScript node setup. Help me. This thing. Now I'm currently unsure if I should use it in my project folder. Let's use it here. npm not found. Let's make a new terminal. Hope not now found, but this version has npm doesn't have a version. Let's put it after it. If it no, this is wrong. No, it was not. No, apt. I think it was this. To be a lot. I have sudo apt install npm. It's in here. Now let's try TypeScript. Now I don't want the node models, but okay. Now I should be able to make tsc. This is also amino. Let's end. This is this, you know. Run. Oops. Still not white. and just try around. Paste. I feel like I am installing far too much. What I want to do. npx tsc. Let's try. I don't want this window anymore. This. Okay, I cannot use this, so let's delete this, move to trash, create one, have one. We have all possible options in here. Now I have do I? Let's look over. I don't want the 1,000 things in here. Output here build. Now ODS source. Okay, it want to have a source folder. Then we name it to source. But there is no source in here. I have to rename this. It now is a TypeScript file. And I am curious what will happen to yes. Should include DOM. Oops. Of course it will now. Let's for now. Well, better let it mark these. I think it can still compile. Can I do a watch flag? Does it? It created the build. It doesn't move the index and moves index over here. Should fine. Now I should no longer be able to. Game it's no, it's not source. It's build. In here works perfect. Oh, I don't want to work in this folder. I need to work in this folder. And I need to add file option include DOM. I hope a Google search no will give me the line I need to add. And I copy in here. Let's copy it. Can someone say me what I need to add? libdom. So it's lib this simple DOM. Okay. Small, big. Correct. In a way, perfect. Does not. Do I need to install a plugin that can help me more TypeScript, or is it? Normally I would assume it would be quick fixes, but he wants context. Yes, I know I want. Don't know how it's called. It's a canvas element. Does HTML canvas element, he knows. It's now I have to think it was this way. And no. I can try around. Let type HTML canvas element. This is looking correct. One null. Can I say I want no null? Was it this way? Sure. If z equals null, throw exception. Now do a new exception. Just want any exception. Canvas element not found. See. Let's see if he accepts it. Okay, he doesn't like the. Oh, he likes it. Still 3 errors. I need the type here. This CTX canvas rendering context. Canvas rendering context 2D. So make it here and don't lose war. Now he wants to also be, but I don't want it to be nullable. And let's do this again. Feels off what I do, but let's just get it running for now. Let's type here. Somehow I copy paste and oh, this is. See, here's the event listener, and this keyword event. snapshot an event, see what I can do with it. Yes, okay, perfect. Let's put down, I no longer have errors. I should be able to move. Perfect. Now let's start. Making it different. Can I chat? TypeScript. Have a player X as 100, Y as 100. It's not a semicolon, it's comma, not size is 10. It's game data.player.x, Y, size. We have also color, which is blue. Blue. Nope. Color, okay. Can also make the canvas element my type game data. To think how this works. Have a type game data, canvas element of type, canvas element, canvas, no, this. Should I? The name is CTX, so otherwise it's too long. Can I set this up in the start? Don't need this. Words. This part. Now it should say yes, stuff missing. Now I can get it out here. This becomes a setup. The CTX. Now I need the player and player data does have X is a number, Y is a number, size is a number, color is a string, this is player data. Do I need commas? Okay. Do I need equals? I'm confused. He's missing something. Here's a bracket missing. Oh, okay, of course. He does not know these. And not these. Game data.statics. Game data player point x point y x point y full errors. Just redesigning currently. A lot of stuff to improve code-wise, but let's leave it at that for now. I want a game loop now. Currently only changes if I press a key, which is not good. Should I start using more files? I'm at less than 100 lines of code. I use the same file for now. So I have paint stuff in here. Let's function run, new function tick. It's set. And I do this. Set JavaScript timeout. Set timeout, this was what I looked for. Set timeout. Then I call the function after now, yes. Executed only once. And I don't need anything. Timeout. I tick function again and make it. There's 100 ticks per second. There's around 60 ticks per second. To sync, need to call the timeout here, and the paint will happen here. And I can do this at the end. This calls itself again. Paint all, paints all. I don't normally paint all here, but oops, I pressed something weird. Hmm. Let's think I want the player moving. Is this? I call it a move. Let's call it, give it a move speed, a number, and a move direction. Move speed. Is it moving a Boolean? Might work. So let's give our player move speed. Move speed. I have no idea. Move direction will start at 0 and is moving as false. I don't need this, but it also doesn't annoy him. Now key press. To sync. I make it a bit simpler at first. Is moving. Is move direction. Interesting. What is a move direction? Left. I think we work with pi here, so let's try out 0, and the other one should then be mass point pi. We won't be able to work with this. Oh, we can. They might be wrong. We'll need to check first. Oh, I need function move player. Let's call it move player tick. Call it first move and then paint the new position. Now I need to, if game data point player point is moving, then I need to change player x equals okay, for move direction to what I add to player x and y. think it's was it the sin of direction? Let's find out. And the cosinus, we multiply it with move speed. Let's player equal game data player. Makes it shorter. Not game data. Move speed. If player tick happens, woodwork. It happens something. A place. Ah, okay. If I press D, it goes up. If I press A, it goes down. No, I cannot stop. Let's move direction. I don't know if there's some kind of standard. If I change cos and sinus, it should. Is incorrect. It's perfectly wrong. So I change this to -0.5 and this to 0. Come. Then S should be half. See what happens. AS. This could be 3/2. Left, right, top, bottom. WSDA behaves correctly. Now I cannot stop. And but I cannot make input for diagonal because I only check one key each time. And let's keep pressed. Then let's. Oh, I accidentally press middle mouse button. Sometimes copy something in here. Which means I need to. Can I check which key is still pressed? JavaScript, which keys are pressed? Quite what I'm looking for. It's not too related to JavaScript. This might be. Also not related to JavaScript. My search does not give me what I'm looking for. The event won't have it. If I can only work with events, I have to remember which keys are pressed. Well, let's do it for now. Then I note the key down, but key up also. Let's, I think, Alt Control key. Okay, I think I need to remember. Need key up. Should I also need key pressed and call it key down and key up? Key down. Types, no. Keys pressed. I don't like it, but do it for now. Then it will be in there forever. Boolean is Boolean D Boolean D W Boolean add these two keys pressed. Oh, this is missing. Keys pressed. A forwards. S forwards. D forwards. W forwards. Oh, and layer, but keys pressed. A true. This is which to remember the direction. Oh no. This is S. S. D. This W. I don't need these here. Copy this function. Key up. Did I change key up? Again? Oh, yes, a bit too much. I need C. key up. Well, let's don't need it. Alts. This should work for now. Move player tick. Function determine direction. Player direction. Player move direction. Something like this. You can press all 4 keys. They make it so complicated. I cannot do a switch so easily. Keys equals game data point keys pressed. Let's if keys.a and wait. No, I will make it not perfect. Let's make it this way. This and press player point move direction gun. Let's else case S D W. Oh, I messed something up. That's 0. But if also key FA can go next is S, so key this and that. And it's no. If I go a bit to S, I go to half. But half is not correct. I need to be to sync for move player tick. I need to determine I divide by 3, it's too much. Wait, must. Okay, I go for to half, so I need divide by 3 times 2. Is correct? It's from 1 to 1.5. Yes. 1.5. Now let's make from S to D. This is not pressed, and D is 0, so it's 0.5. It's 0. 2. 0 is also full P. This isn't it 1.5? Something is off. This is 1.5, isn't it? But it's multiplied. This is divided. That's wrong. 0.5. It's like times 2. I think I will change to multiplication. I have to redo these as well, times 0.5. Something multiplication. This to change 0.75. 0.25. 0.75, is this correct? Yes, 1.5. Oh no, something. This is 1.75 and this is 0.25. Maybe. Oh, very strange. Up, left, right, down. Right is wrong, and I cannot press 2. Does not work. Strange. So now I no longer need these. D was wrong. Okay, I did not change. It's to D, D to W, W to A. And W is in directions. And let's just try it out. For direction working. Some work, some don't. WD does not work correctly. W this here. So I have here and here. From pi to 0.5 from 0.5. Maybe I should order it the other way around. Read it a bit easier. Now it goes down. It goes. This is clearly wrong. Needs to be 1.75. And if switch. This is 2.5. Now I have all. One is not working. WA. 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 If A is pressed, I get in here. It will do this direction because it does not check. Okay, so this cannot work. And not keys. W. Is this enough? Okay, all 8 directions work. No, I cannot stop. Can stop. Key if else move direction keys are is moving gleich false. I can start with is moving equals false. And I would just set it true. That will be later move to false. Might work. Yes, no, can only move if I press. And that is all I got after 1.5 hours. And still a lot to improve. One thing I will definitely need is a version control with Git behind it. But for this I need to create an account. I don't know if I can do it on stream, whatever this thing will ask me. Let's look GitHub. It's one place where I can push code if I sign up. Probably need an email address. You will see the email address. I share. I will try it off stream. But we have developed 1.5 hours a point we can move. That's for today. We'll end here and oh, I didn't look if my advertise in some bad place. Let's look. If I open this, over the bottom right, I think there's nothing important there. Looks good, I would say. Okay, then I stop here. I will try to work on it once every week. Won't. Yes. Maybe sometimes it doesn't work, man. Maybe sometimes I work more often on it. Who knows? And that's it. Bye bye.